This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pistachio cannoli. First, gather your ingredients for the shells, including all-purpose flour, a pinch of sugar, and a splash of dry white wine. Mix these to form a firm dough, then let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Next, roll the dough out incredibly thin, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch. Use a 3-inch round cutter to create your shell shapes, then wrap them around metal cannoli forms. Finally, fry these until they are beautifully golden and crisp. Now, let's create that irresistible pistachio filling. Start with fresh, whole milk ricotta cheese, ensuring it's well-drained to prevent a watery consistency. Gently fold in powdered sugar to your desired sweetness, along with a generous amount of finely ground pistachios. A dash of vanilla extract and a little orange zest will brighten the flavors beautifully. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. Then refrigerate the filling for at least 1 hour to allow it to firm up and for the flavors to meld. With your shells cooled and your filling chilled, it's time for assembly. Carefully pipe the creamy pistachio filling into each cannoli shell, filling from both ends to ensure an even distribution. Once filled, dip the open ends into a bowl of extra chopped pistachios for that signature look and added crunch. A light dusting of powdered sugar over the top adds a final touch of elegance. Remember to fill your cannoli just before serving to keep the shells wonderfully crisp. You've done it! Your homemade pistachio cannoli are ready to be enjoyed. These delightful treats are perfect for celebrations, desserts, or simply as a special indulgence. Remember, for the crispiest shells, always fill them right before serving. You can store unfilled shells in an airtight container for several days. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Share your amazing cannoli with loved ones and savor every bite of your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.